honestly the best moisturizer. I need fruits to feel better. So good. It's like I didn't see you 2 hours ago.
Oh no! What is this?
Vlogmas.
Good morning, Vlogmas Day 15! Katie slept over at mi casa, and she wanted to prove that she was here, that she has friends. Okay, bye!
Good morning, people. It is now 11 o'clock, and as Avery said, I slept over at her house with Jamie.
Oh, hi.
It's Vlogmas Day 15, and I'm about to get picked up, and I don't know what's happening. But I showered, and I'm clean. I'm wearing Avery's t-shirt. Outfit of the day. I'm home from Avery's now, and I just made myself a smoothie because I'm still feeling so sick. Everything about my head is going crazy right now, so I need fruits. I need fruits to feel better, and then I'm gonna take another DayQuil. Party was super fun, sleepover super fun, but now I'm just gonna spend all day probably cleaning, studying, and wrapping presents. Finals week is tomorrow. That's the tea, sis. I just did the rough cut of my whole get ready with me that I filmed with Jamie and Avery. We did a little get ready with me for the party. If you didn't see yesterday's vlog, you definitely should, because that was super fun. I showed you guys the loft that we built in my brother's room, and we went shopping for all the party materials and all that. If you've been keeping up with Vlogmas, I love you so much because it's so fun, and I know it's hard to watch this many videos, but I love you guys. I'm actually going over to Jamie's house at 3 o'clock, and you might be like, you literally just left her. But for my final exam film project, I'm doing a story on her mom, and I'm not gonna expose what the story is just for personal reasons. I'm gonna be interviewing Jamie and her mom at her house. I need to write all my questions. I already have a bunch of them. I already have like a majority of them written down in my notes, but I need to ask a few more. And then I need to make sure my camera battery is charged on my big camera. The mic is good. I need to bring my tripods. It's 1 o'clock right now, so I still have a little while. But until then, I think I'm gonna clean my room. I have all these clean clothes that just need to be put away. Also, my desk is just really messy, so I want to clean that up a little bit. I took a DayQuil. I'm feeling a little bit better, but still not to the fullest. I think I actually need to take another one, which my mom said is okay. Don't think I'm like a druggie. Last night was super fun. Jamie, Avery, and I had a blast, and it was good to finally have a sleepover with girls because I never have girlfriends. I'm gonna unpack all of this that I brought to their house. It's now 2:30 and I'm getting in the car to head over to Jamie's. We have to go run an errand with my brother. We have to drop off his football jersey really quick. But then my dad's cutting wood to finish building the loft because he's building a ladder to get up to it.
Are you vlogging? When she has to vlog everything.
Literally.
Oh, we're back together again.
It's like I didn't see you 2 hours ago.
Did you tell them what you're doing?
I said that I was interviewing your mommy for my project. Do you think I have enough B-roll?
You could probably just like, I could send you pictures.
Yeah, we can send you pictures
that'd
if
be
you
good.
need more.
I'm back from Jamie's now. It is 4:15. I was there for like an hour. It really wasn't that hard. I was interviewing her mom for, like I said, my final exam. I think I'm going to start editing the piece, and I'm going to edit this Vlogmas and my other videos. I have a lot of editing to do, and I just want to have a chill rest of the day. I need to study because I have 2 tests tomorrow, and next week is finals week, which is like the hardest week of the year. It's when all your grades actually matter. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for a little while. Yesterday was fun. I had a lot of fun with my friends, and today's a chill, relax, and reset day. It's way later now. It's 7:30 and I ate dinner. We got food from Taco Mac. I don't know if that's just a Georgia thing. Every time I say a restaurant, people call me out. Like, I didn't know they had Zaxby's and other places. I thought it was just Georgia. I fully edited and posted the get ready with me for a high school party video and posted that on my main channel. After the rough cut, I just went through and added like music, special effects. Not special effects, but like the other stuff. Y'all don't care about that. I just finished the video. I just finished editing this Vlogmas so far, and it's 3 minutes, which is just not acceptable. I don't know what I'm gonna do to make this video longer. I still feel like poop. I also took a online Spanish test. If you don't know, I take Spanish 3 virtually. Alrighty, advent calendar of the day. 1/5. Here's the 15th. I have a feeling it's gonna be gummies. Oh my gosh, it's not gummies. I think it's those other gnome things. All the people that were from like England that watched my videos were like, these are so popular there. I'd never heard of it, but it's a sour, and if you know me, or if you don't know, I'm gonna let you know, I hate sour candy. Sour anything. I just can't do it. It like burns. It's not sour. It's like sweet. Oh. Take it back. It's a little sour. I'm okay. Pass on that one. So I'm gonna be doing a skincare routine now for all of the people who always ask me how I keep my skin clear. So I'm not taking a shower tonight because I took one this morning and I literally barely left my house. So the first thing that I typically do is I wash my face with this Glam Glow cleanser. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I use any gentle facial cleanser. It changes all the time, but that's the one that I'm using right now. Since I'm not gonna be in the shower, I don't wash my face every day. I know some people might think that's gross, but my skin thrives off of what I do to it, and I don't do that every day. So yeah, we're not doing that today. So the next thing I do is I remove my makeup if I'm wearing any, and also normally when I'm in the shower my makeup will come off, and if I have anything excess then I'll do this step. But right now all I'm wearing is eyebrows and mascara. I'm gonna be taking my Garnier Micellar Cleanser Water and some cotton pads. Looks like I only have one left in here, and I go through cotton pads so fast because I use a lot of products that require them. I'm just gonna remove my eye makeup right now, and now it's time to tone our faces. So I'm gonna get some more cotton pads really quick. Here we go. Toner I think is the key to clear skin, and obviously some people have cystic acne or acne prone skin, but if you're not using toner I highly recommend that you start. I used to use a toner that had the first ingredient as alcohol, and just a heads up, if any of your skincare products have alcohol in it, get rid of it. Alcohol is terrible for your skin, and you want a natural toner that has like natural ingredients. So the one that I use is the Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel Unscented. I know they also make a rose version of this, but this one is so good. This whole bottle I think is like $10. I got mine off Amazon, but I know they sell them in Target and Walmart and like Whole Foods. This is so cleaning and clearing, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling any type of way. I can tell you that your skin will feel 10 times as clean and clear once you use this, because it removes all the excess dirt and oils that just makeup remover won't. So you'll find after toning your face, oh my gosh, you'll see all the remnants. I don't know if you guys can see that because my light is on super bright, but that is all the stuff that was still on my face. Toner just gets like literally everything out, and it's my favorite. And then typically my face is wet after toning, so I just take a clean cotton pad and just kind of wipe the rest off. And now it's time to moisturize. So I go crazy, go stupid with the moisturizers. The first moisturizer that I use has been a tried and true of mine for like a year and a half now, and this is a CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I rave about this all the time because it is honestly the best moisturizer that you can buy, and it's also from the drugstore. As you can see, I use a ton of drugstore products, nothing luxury, because I just don't feel the need to spend that much money on skincare. You can find really good stuff from the drugstore, so I go crazy with this. This moisturizer has done such wonders for my skin. It makes your skin feel hydrated, and it just soaks all of the product up. Love this stuff. I think it's like 10 bucks or 15 bucks from the drugstore. This is definitely gonna sound sponsored, but it's not. Then I use Curology. Curology sponsored me on my main channel, but I've been using them for like a year now as well. They've been sending me PR forever, and I love my custom moisturizer. I know Curology has worked and sponsored a lot of people, but like I said, this video is not sponsored. Curology just has worked and cleared my skin for the better, and why would I want to not use it if it does good things? Mine is not meant to target acne. It's to target the tiny white buildup bumps that I have on my skin, which have obviously very much gone away since I started using this. They actually just sent me this bottle yesterday. I've gone through 3 of these already, so this is my 3rd one, and I just love it. We only have 2 more products. Then I use an under eye cream, and this is the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. It is so moisturizing, and I feel like you can never get too close to your eyes when you're putting moisturizer on because you're scared to get it in your eye. This can get close to your eye, and it feels moisturizing, and I just kind of tap it in with my ring finger and I put it on my eyelid. There we go. And the last step that I have is chapstick. Of course, I'm using my Glossier Mint Balm Dot-Com. Love this stuff. It's my favorite. It's so good, and highly recommend. That's my skincare routine. I don't think it's too in-depth. I think it's actually pretty easy. It doesn't require a lot of thinking, and it's effective. So definitely look into this if you want to try some new products. It's Christmas time, so it's a perfect time to ask for anything that you want to try. I'm gonna end vlogmas here though. Thank you guys for watching day 15. I love you so much, and don't forget, like I said, I posted the Get Ready With Me for a Christmas Party with Jamie and Avery on my main channel, Katie's Corner, so you can go watch that if you haven't already. It's super fun, and I genuinely think you guys are gonna enjoy it. You can subscribe to this channel. We're almost at 110,000 subscribers, which is insane to me because this is my vlog channel, and I don't know why that many people want to subscribe to me. But you can also follow my social media, all linked down below, and I'll see you guys for tomorrow, vlogmas day 16. Can you believe we're already halfway done? I can't. Peace in the Middle East.